Are you preparing for the PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst exam and looking for a strategy to pass on your very first attempt? Passing this exam requires the kind of realistic, scenario-based practice that standard documentation cannot provide on its own. This course is built on 4 pillars: high-quality questions that match real-world difficulty, clear explanations, comprehensive topic coverage, and a true simulation of the testing environment. Before beginning, you must prepare your physical space, log into the platform, clear your desk, and secure uninterrupted time. Simulating the actual pressure of the exam environment during your practice sessions is the most effective way to eliminate test day anxiety. To start, establish an honest baseline. Close all other browser tabs and silence your phone to remove distractions. Launch Practice Test 1 and take note of the digital countdown timer beginning at the top of the interface. While the clock is running, you must follow a strict rule. Do not look up answers or consult any external documentation. You will navigate through 4 distinct domains: data preparation, DAX, which is the Data Analysis Expressions Formula Language, data modeling, and visualization. Encountering unfamiliar questions is a normal part of this process, regardless of your previous experience with Power BI. This initial test functions strictly as a diagnostic tool to identify your current knowledge level. By avoiding the temptation to check your notes, you generate an honest map of what you need to master. Once finished, submit your exam and go directly to the final score breakdown page. Use the categorical report to identify which of the 4 main domains is responsible for your lowest performance. Open the detailed explanation section, starting specifically with the questions you missed in that weakest topic. You must read the explanation block for every single question on the test, even those you answered correctly. Correct answers chosen by a lucky guess still indicate a knowledge gap. Understanding the underlying structural logic is the only way to ensure success. A thorough gap analysis transforms a generic numerical score into a personalized study plan. Step away from the practice exams for a few days and focus entirely on the concepts you struggled with. Spend 2 or 3 days applying these specific concepts directly inside the Power BI desktop application to build muscle memory. Return to the course platform and take Practice Test 2 under the same strict timed conditions as your baseline run. Comparing your new score against your baseline provides a quantitative measure of how much your knowledge has improved. Repeat the gap analysis for the remaining questions you missed on this second attempt. This iterative loop of testing and targeted study creates compounding knowledge growth over time. Following these 4 steps systematically replaces uncertainty with actual exam readiness. You have now identified your weaknesses, expanded your technical knowledge, and built the testing endurance needed for the full exam. Because you have survived this rigorous preparation cycle, the official PL-300 exam will feel like just another standard practice round. Enroll now and take the next step toward becoming a Microsoft-certified Power BI data analyst. Ultimately, the PL-300 rewards a candidate's strategic preparation rather than their ability to memorize documentation.